Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. Today I will show you how to create and manage projects within your buildings. Once you select the company and enter the building, you will see on the left side the option for projects. Right now we don't have any projects for this building, so let's add one. Let's say we had water damage for a sprinkler, and it has to start on the 10th of October from 2025. I don't have a job link, so I will not add one, but let's add some photos here. And we can also upload the invoice for this job. Once you hit submit, then you have here the start date, the invoice that you can download, and of course a picture of the damage and everything. Below you can add notes, so we can put a sprinkler damaged and add a picture of it. Once I hit submit, it will be added to my project here with the date when it was added. You can manage everything and of course add a finish date, like so. Once you submit, it will update the job as finished.